omo chando moneno renge ole wikira boniga umuchokeroka no bucha mena times ndo akoroche uweso kigalia ubwatira namo na bande gukora usafi gari. Do you think enchire gosokware gukora iga kwanyore solution as a long term solution or sebado no kumobilize abantu mwana makara usafi ase echire?
What I can say bondo iga karoke na nyora te arenge jabizo no longa that, because you know to what the point the arenge isatu ubo cha bware kurutu. We had supermarket, the third place is clean, ever clean. Pake biashara bangana bare gari bahanenge, you know naga jiro ubo cha buru ma dengo denga kerebuga yekire bua tuerere chemicals chiare koruoro, you know those emissions na mojigo saria maayo monto including amana na are korraga ni baraba na bakese. So what I did was to try and create what we call a long-term plan.
Yes.
I think that nga clean Superman bochamu boyo. Two, abate another center ya abate what we call nehero ya ringe in chaff. Brilliant. Angane school asa wana bagoso. That place is very clean. The town yargo etango tinyu kumutuga iga ensemeri ya migo people kana testing ango sibiwe. So the problem yarenge mono maega asobo cha ware komuru where we had a papote dinga necho yaringe kwagacho. What I did asari nanya clean. And because we cannot have a toilet have a fireball ariese echo yare kwagacho, I am turning that place as a temporary place you call yobocha. So that weekly yobocha will work around the kick. I'm also in consultation directorate ya waste management so that the two are correct station Keroka all the time. So that is the only way to try anything in town area to nebuate a continuous cleaning team around the ground 24/7. I'm now moving to another phase. Yoko Ranga, we are having a team in place that is energized, determined to ensure that Keroka Town is very clean. So that is where we are moving to next. And this is the time. So Asama to come, any changes will be done, and the changes that will be done will be towards ensuring and toward good services in ensuring that we have a clean town forever.
Pia mono sana mwancho muligere me studio weekly siocha asilitalinde AKM pande usikumurangana akorangirika asiliteli na liamanyekanete galisco notole amonerega iga umwemse wa ewodi echuni asogene tokobato kusanganere amange gore amagendera nyara ko bagukira na mushimiwa county government kirokende nyite budget yae na kira ewodi yanyorete around 39